Hi, I'm Charlie LaRosa, a member of the value team here at GAMCO, and here's our take on the markets for March 2022. Markets rallied in March, with the S&P 500 and major indices posting positive monthly returns for the first time since the start of 2022. A behind-the-scenes look at the month revealed a choppier path to reach those gains, as investors juggle Russia's ongoing invasion of Ukraine, inflation, and rising interest rates. The current conflict between Russia and Ukraine has severely strained US-Russia relations and could escalate to a larger European conflict. The US and its European allies have imposed a widening array of economic sanctions on Russia. Economic penalties and export controls have been the main tools of retaliation for the West after President Biden and NATO agreed not to send troops to defend Ukraine. In an effort to combat inflation, the Fed raised interest rates for the first time since 2018. Fed officials signaled that they expect to lift the federal funds rate to nearly 2% by the end of this year, an aggressive pace that would require several more increases by year's end. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell noted that the committee is aware of the need to return the economy to price stability. As mentioned last month, the probability of a stagflationary outcome in the US has likely risen. According to data from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, fewer people are hospitalized with COVID-19 in the U.S. now than at any other point during the pandemic. To date, roughly 217 million Americans are fully vaccinated, representing roughly 66% of the population. We remain confident that our portfolio of companies is positioned well despite the present geopolitical risk. As value investors, we continue to navigate the current market volatility as an opportunity to buy attractive companies which have positive free cash flows, healthy balance sheets, and trading at discounted prices. Be sure to follow us online at Gabelli.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for all Gabelli TV updates. Thanks.
Investors should carefully consider the investment objectives, risk, charges, and expenses of the fund before investing. The prospectus, which contains more complete information about this and other matters, should be read carefully before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 1-800-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com.